Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make smoked canned salmon. First, choose high-quality salmon fillets, ideally about 1 inch thick. Next, prepare a simple brine using 1 cup of salt, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 4 cups of water. Submerge your salmon in this solution and refrigerate it for 8 to 12 hours. This brining step is crucial for both flavor and texture, ensuring your salmon is perfectly seasoned and ready for the next stage. After brining, rinse the salmon thoroughly under cold water and pat it completely dry. Then, let it air dry on a rack for 2 to 4 hours until a pellicle forms, which helps smoke adhere. Now, it's time to smoke. Set your smoker to a low temperature, around 150 degrees Fahrenheit, and smoke the salmon for 3 to 4 hours. Alder or apple wood chips work wonderfully, imparting a delicate, delicious, smoky essence. Once smoked, carefully pack the salmon into clean pint-sized canning jars, ensuring you leave 1 inch of headspace at the top. You can add a teaspoon of olive oil or a splash of water to each jar for extra moisture and flavor, if desired. Then, process the jars in a pressure canner at the recommended pressure for 100 minutes. This crucial step ensures the salmon is safely preserved for long-term storage. After processing, let your jars cool completely and check the seals. Properly canned smoked salmon can be stored in a cool, dark pantry for up to 1 year, making it a fantastic pantry staple. It's incredibly versatile. Enjoy it flaked in salads, mixed into spreads for crackers, or as a flavorful addition to sandwiches. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your reading experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.